Welcome at Pizza and More. As you all know, on the 31st of October we celebrate Halloween. And Halloween is really celebrated from lots of people. Yeah, I'm Jürgen and I thought let's make a pizza which fits perfectly to your Halloween party or even to Halloween. Yeah, I saw in the internet a nice pizza shaped like a skull. And so I thought, let's make a pizza in this kind of shape, like a skull. And then I thought, we make it simply together. Of course, this pizza can be baked in a normal kitchen oven as well. Then we take a normal baking tray. We shape the pizza on this baking tray. Then we pre-bake the pizza. So at first the crust together with the tomato sauce, like a normal pizza when it's baked in the kitchen oven. And then we add the rest of the toppings and then we continue baking until it's nice colored. I thought let's make it in the pizza oven. However, I lowered the temperature. The temperature of the pizza oven actually has only 350 degrees. Celsius. The reason for this is I let the crust, so the base a bit thicker, and that's the reason it will take longer. That's the reason why we have only 350 degrees. The dough I have here is a normal direct dough with 62% of hydration and the leavening time in the meanwhile of 48 hours. You will find the recipe for the dough in the video description. And now I would say we start directly with these nice skull pizzas. I have here the dough already on my counter. This is a dough ball with 280 grams. And it has not a round shape, but this doesn't matter. We don't need a round shape, therefore it's okay. This is how it came out of the box. Now we have the possibility to use a roller pin to roll it out, or you use your hands to shape it like a skull. Also here, the first is tomato sauce. This is a normal Neapolitan tomato sauce I made with San Marzano tomatoes, and per 100 grams of tomatoes, 1 gram of sea salt. Then as on each other pizza as well, fresh grated Parmesan cheese. Then some basil. Then we have here as nose. It was a bit a challenge to shape the nose. I thought maybe such a pepper might work. Let's place it here. And then we add the cheese. I have here mozzarella fior di latte. As teeth, I thought maybe we can use some corn. The eyes are some slices of salami. You also could use here some beetroot if you want to have the vegetarian way. And here I have additional some black olives for the eyes. And some more black olives as well. Then of course some olive oil. And then it can go into the oven. Therefore, we take our pizza peel, put some semolina onto it and push the peel under. And then it goes into the oven. Here comes our pizza out of the oven. Then we had to add some additional leaves of fresh basil. And here is our nice pizza, especially for Halloween. You may have some more talent in kind of art, or you are a bit more artful like me, then I'm pretty sure you can shape it a bit different. Well, this is the best I can, but I think it looks funny, it is okay for Halloween, and I thought it's the right, let's say the idea how you could maybe create, especially on Halloween, your pizza. If you like my video, it would be fantastic if you would subscribe my channel, and then we see us also in the next video. Ciao.